Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? Hope you are fine. Today I'm going to create a look with this palette which I never use in my life, but it's not the first time that I use Huda Beauty because Huda Beauty is the best, honestly. So I'm gonna recreate some look with this palette, and you can see I have some pimple here, and it's terrible. So just have a look at how much is beautiful this palette. Beautiful color. I have finished my base only. I know it looks scary, so just leave it. So let's see the final look. This is the final look. Hope you can see how much is really stunning, how much is beautiful. So hope that you like this look, because I really tried my best. It's really hard to doing makeup while your 3 kids just around you and make a mess and make a noise. So I really hope that you appreciate. This is not first time that I use Huda Beauty, so a special thanks go to my husband that always buy for me nice makeup. You can really create nice makeup with this palette, especially if you need to do something with the shiny, with glitter. This has too many glitter option. If you want to do something shiny, this is perfect, believe me. Hope you like this look. Let me know in the comment what you think. Subscribe and like my video. Add me on TikTok, follow me on TikTok and on YouTube channel. Bye.